Hey everyone, this is Shammy. Welcome to my channel, and I'm going for a travel for about a month, but I'll be mostly in the city, so I'm not going any exotic locations. So I thought I will do a packing video that what I'm carrying for at least 1 month of a city trip. Without further ado, let's dive in. So first thing first is my bag. My bag is an American Tourister 4-wheeler trolley bag. This is a hard shell bag, and this opens from the middle section of this bag. When I travel, so I can see everything right here, and I have packing cube. There is a debate, packing cube versus no packing cube. I'm definitely a packing cube person. It helps me to organize my things. So I have 2 major packing cubes and a bag and some other small items. Basically, I'm going for a medical tourism purpose. So my mother needs a surgery and recovery and follow-up, plus I need my own treatment. So it's a medical tourism trip. That means whatever I'm carrying, it's mostly suitable for the hospitals, or it will help me to stay comfortable in a hospital or at a home. So without further ado, let's dig in what I have in my bag. So my first packing cube is mostly my clothes. This is my biggest packing cube, and it's a compression packing cube. That means I can open from here. It becomes bigger. So whatever I have my clothes and the air inside it, when I compress the bag sucks the air out. That means it takes smaller space that normally it would do. And I can also open it from the top. That means I can visibly see whatever I have in my packing cube. So my first dress is a top. This is a white color top. This is a black formal pant. I have a jeans. This is a skinny jeans, and whatever I'm wearing right now, this is basically my airport outfit. So it's another a balloon kind of a jeans and my tops. So these are mostly my tops. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tops, and one I'm wearing. So total 9 tops. This is basically a dress, and and this top is a full sleeve top. That means if I'm going to a colder climate, just in case after my medical tourism, if I want to travel around and it's gonna be winter in many places. So although it's not very cold, but cold enough to have a full sleeve kind of a dress. So maybe I'll wear my skinny jeans and my full sleeve, and I will layer with something else. So basically I have 3 pants and 9 tops and 1 dress. This is my other packing cube, and it has all the other miscellaneous items. This is la formal. It's not a scarf, but you can close your ears, your throat. This is a dress for my sleepwear. This is a shorts. I sleep with this. I have another shorts to go out if I want to wear shorts. Maybe it's very cold. So I have a towel in here because I will be staying in some hostels and I will be staying in some friends' houses. So I want my towel, and I have a tights. So if in a colder climate I want to sleep, so I can wear these. I also have a flowy pant if it's like really cold and I'm staying in the hospital with my mom. Maybe I will have to wear something like not really a shorts, because the city I'm going is like quite a conservative city and I don't want everybody to stare at me. So maybe I'll wear this when I stay in the hospital. I have a t-shirt to wear at home, and I have my underwears, my socks, and I have a swimwear. This is my swimwear, and this is my cover up for the swimwear, because I go to a lot of swimming pool parties. I'm a salsa dancer, and the city I'm going, I know a lot of salsa people, and they organize swimming pool parties very often, and I don't want to like under prepare. And I have a layer. This is basically a bodysuit, so I can wear underneath my any other top if I'm going to a slightly colder climate and I need to layer up. So this is because of that. So this bag is basically my day bag, and it is going to stay inside my suitcase when I'm traveling, so I don't have to carry any extra bag. This is an interesting bag because it opens from all sides. Voila. I have a eye mask if I want to sleep. Sometimes in a hospital you want to try to sleep and you can't, and maybe I'm traveling by train or bus somewhere, I want to take a nap, sleep, so I want to carry that. And I have another bag, although this says that I'm a shoe bag, but I use it for my laundry bag. And so I can keep all my dirty clothes in one bag, and whenever I want to wash it, I'm going to a laundromat and I can just carry that bag and wash it. This is safety kit for your bra washer. So that means you have a bra and you can just put it inside, and then you can throw it in the washing machine and it will not destroy the shape of your bra. I have an umbrella. The city I'm going, it's going to be a rainy season there. That means I need umbrella all the time. And inside this bag, I have my cosmetics bag. I have quite a few things in here, and I'm not going into the details because I made a couple of videos on my toiletry items. I'm gonna link them in the description box below. If you want, check it out. It has a front pocket, and in the front pocket, I basically have the straps of the bag to minimize the space, and I do have some handkerchiefs, so it stays in the bag. So I preferred, this is the best way to keep in this bag to avoid any mishaps. So these are the other items that I have in my bag. This is a slipper, like slider. This is a white color slider, and I really like white. I carry my shoes in a shower cap. It's easier for me to protect my shoes if it's wet or dirty. It doesn't mix with all my clothes or other items in my bag. Although everything is in a packing cube, so anyway they are safe, but I also don't want to make the packing cubes dirty. So I always put it in a shower cap. So this is my another shoe. This is basically my salsa shoe. So I go to a lot of salsa socials. This is quite a fancy shoe and I really like it. This is a custom made shoe from Natia Shoes. They're from India and they internationally couriered me in my home country. And I have a slipper. This is basically for whichever hotel I'm staying or my friend's place I'm staying to wear inside my home. I have my epilator. This is a Philips epilator. This is applicable both for wet and dry skin. And I usually carry it because all my body hair that comes on like very quickly, maybe within a week. And this is a genetic disorder, and I will always need to carry my epilator with me. I have a hair dryer, so when you have hair, you may want a hair dryer. And the place I'm going, it's gonna be a rainy season, so it's gonna be humid. So sometimes I need to dry a lot of things, so I need a hair dryer for that. Also, I am planning to go to a colder climate in there, and most of the accommodation they don't provide hair dryers, so I always carry with me one. I have a small medicine bag and it has all the emergency medicines that I may need. There's nothing prescription, and this comes with me in every single trip, and I am going for a medical trip and I'm not carrying a lot of medicines with me because all my medicines are already finished, and I'm like about to finish in a day or two, so I only have like very basics in a medicine pouch. So whatever medicines my doctors will prescribe me during my visit, I will buy them there. I have a hot bag with me because when I travel, sometimes I get back pains. So I have invested in a very tiny, like size of a palm. Since I bought it, I have used it a few times and it was really helpful when I travel. I do have a bigger at my home, but since I'm traveling, so I need a smaller one. So I have a scarf with me. This is something that is I can wear. I can cover my hair, shoulders. I can layer up. I can use it as a layer for my hands, or I can protect myself from sun. I can also use it to cover my throat, or if I'm going to a temple, I can use it as a cover because I'm not carrying any conservative clothes, mostly jeans and tops or pants and tops. So sometimes they do look at you very weirdly and they are expecting you to have a scarf with you. So I always carry one with me when I travel. This is my personal item bag. I have coffee mixer. I really like coffee, and sometimes when I travel they don't have a microwave and any coffee mixer, so I prefer to carry one with me so I can mix my coffee well. So I have a sunglass. This is a prescription sunglass, and this is basically a Polaroid glass, and it gives me really good sight when I travel and it protects my eyes. And this is a prescription glass. Even if you don't have a prescription glass, you should go for a Polaroid sunglass so you can see a lot of things And there's a medicine pouch. These are my prescription medicines that I have like only a few left. This is an air pillow that allow me to sleep in my car, in the bus, in the train, flight. I have my wallet in here. This is my bigger wallet, so I have my cards and my like USDs are here. If I need more, I can always withdraw from my international cards. And I have a mirror here, so I'm going to a place that I might not have proper mirror for my face. So I have a very interesting mirror that has 3 folds, and it protects from one another. And it has a layer that I can always put it on a desk and take care of my skin. I have another medicine pouch. These are also my prescription medicines, only a few left, so I'm carrying it in a medicine pouch as I already shared. And that's all I have in the front pocket. I'm not really a makeup person, but sometimes for YouTube video shoots I do wear makeup, so I have like very small makeup pouch. I have a thermal bottle. This comes with me in every single trip. I made a video on like my top travel items. I'm gonna link that video in my description box below. If you want, check it out. This thermal bottle helps me to drink colder water or hot water wherever I go, and whatever kind of water I need, I can carry it in this thermal bottle. I have a tripod. This is a gorilla tripod, so it bends in different ways. So sometimes I'm going to different places, I want to make videos. So this comes with me almost every single trip. I like to read, and I do have Kindle. I carry this in every single trip as always. It has many books that are my favorite, so I don't have to carry any book separately. Only one Kindle carries all my books with me. I have a tech bag. I'm also not going in details of this bag. I made a separate video on this, what I carry in my tech bag when I travel. I'm going to link that video in the description box below. I have another bag, and I do have some miscellaneous items in here, and I do have some cosmetics along with my hygiene products. So I'm also not going in details of this, but I'll make a separate video on this. And here comes my medical file, because I'm going for a medical tourism, so I do have many prescriptions that I need to carry for my doctors, and they are here. I also do have some films. I'm not carrying the physical films because they take a lot of space. So I do have like 5 CDs. These are like machine readable formats, and whatever your films are, they are in here. I have my MacBook Pro. I'm going for a long period of time, so I will have to do many office works, and I need my MacBook for that, so I'm carrying my laptop in my personal item. My last bag is my purse, and this comes with me in my airplane travel, because whatever I need for my journey I have in this bag, except my air pillow bag, because I am going for a shorter flight, because it's only 2.5 hours flight, so I don't need an air pillow to sleep in that, and I have enough things to engage myself into the flight. And so this is a small leather bag, and this is mainly a crossbody bag, and I can wear it. I can make it in different length. I can carry on my shoulder. I can also carry it in my hand if I want. So what do I have in this bag? I have quite a few things, and so I have a brush for my hair. This is a small brush, and it fits into my palm. I have a small wallet. I have my airport lounge card. I have my credit card. I have some dollar bills and local currency. I do have a power bank. This is a 10,000 mAh power bank, and I have my cable for my phone to support. I have a talcum powder. I have my phone, and it has a protective case, and I do have a slide here, so if I want some dollar bills or any cards, I can put it in here as well. I have an earbud, so whatever, if I want to listen to some music or watch some shows on my phone, I can do that with that. I have a bag. This is basically a convertible bag, and this is a grocery bag, or I can use it for anything. This is quite a big bag, and there are a lot of stuffs I can put in this bag. I can carry it on my shoulder, or I can just tie it with my bag and carry it like this. I do have tennis elbow, and this is to protect my tennis elbow in the airport or in the bus station if I need to carry my heavy bag, which is not very heavy, but heavy enough to make any small injuries. I do have 3 pens, black and blue. I like to carry pens. I need to fill up my immigration form, health declaration form. Sometimes other people are also asking me for pens, so I just keep extra to give it to them. I have mouth sprays. I have 2 perfumes. This is a spray perfume, and this is a roll-on perfume um, to feel fresh. And I have a lip balm. This is actually kind of a lip mask and stays on my lip for a longer period of time to keep it moist and soft. I have a fabric roll-on. This is basically for mosquitoes. So there's a lot of mosquitoes. You can use it on your clothes, and mosquito will not come near you because of the fragrance. And there's a small back pocket here, so I do keep my passport in here because I'm going to a different country and I do need my passport for that. And there's a small mask. This is a one-time mask. This is a fresh mask. COVID taught us how to be careful. Just in case I forget my main mask before I leave my home, I can always use this mask to protect myself. So that's all I have for you in this video, and if you have any specific question regarding any packing tips or any travel tips, let me know in the comment box below. I'll definitely try to answer you, and thank you for watching our video once again. See you soon. Bye bye.